Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to block someone on TikTok. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna just start looking for TikTok right here. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit search right here and just double check if the TikTok app needs to be updated. And as you can see right here, it needs to be updated so you can get all the new features. Just go ahead and get right on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the TikTok, right? And you will see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now in order to block someone, you will need to choose the person that you want to block on your TikTok. So let's say for example I want to choose this one, right? So I'm gonna just click on their name right here at the below left corner, and you're gonna see right here, this is the user and everything, right? Now what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here like a kind of a share icon right here, and you're gonna see at the top right, you're gonna see multiple options, and you're gonna see the last option, which is block. Okay, hit block. All right, and basically you won't be able to see their messages or posts or even find your own profile. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.